In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting any app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then click on the icon of it, select Open in pop-up view and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully opened. If you want to move your window around, hold this line and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button, and to access it, click on the bubble. You can use much more pop-up window options by clicking on this line at the top and trying all of them. For example, by clicking on those two arrows pointing at each other, you can also turn your app in the bubble. Now to close your window, click on the line and select this X on the right, or turn your window into a bubble. Hold your bubble and drag it to remove section at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!